lot of people are sitting on a Facebook group with over hundreds or even thousands of members, and they had no idea that they are sitting on a gold mine. If you have a Facebook group or even a small one, you can turn it into income stream without being saucy or annoying. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to monetize a Facebook group the right way with strategies that actually works. I'll give you a different method. You don't need to choose all, right? You just need to choose the one that suits your personality or your group. Number one is exclusive paid membership or VIP access. This is one of the easiest way to monetize. It offers premium version of your group. Your main group might still be existing, but you are going to be creating a VIP section, maybe private chat or separate group where people pay a small monthly fee for exclusive content, question and answer, or behind the scene access. People love feeling like insiders, and trust me, if your group is already active, people are definitely going to pay to get closer to you or get access to exclusive content. Number two is sell digital product or mini course. If you find yourself answering same question over and over, just package that thing into something. It could be PDF or even a 1 hour recorded training. You don't need to be pushy, just pin the post or casually say,
"Hey, if you want everything in one place, I have put together a quick resource."
simple, respectful, and effective. They will definitely buy. Number three is affiliate marketing. This one is beautiful because you don't even need your own product. If there is a tool or software that your group members are already using, sign up for an affiliate program and recommend it naturally. For example, you can say, a lot of you guys ask me for what I use for blah, blah, blah. Then tell them, here is the link. And definitely a lot of them are going to click on that link. And once they click on the link, you get your own commission. That's money. Number four is sponsored post or brand collaboration. If your group is niched and engaged, brands will pay to get in front of your community. You can offer sponsored posts, giveaway, or partnership shoutout. Just make sure it's something relevant and not spammy because your reputation comes first, and definitely you are going to be making money out of it. So, number five is lead generation for your services. Even if you don't sell digital products, maybe you are the product. If you offer coaching, freelancing, designing, or anything at all, your group can be your lead machine. Just be helpful and answer questions in public, right? And every now and then say something like, if you want help on this, DM me privately. And definitely a lot of people are going to DM you and you are going to solve the problem and make money out of it. So guys, even if you have a small group, you are not just managing a community, you are building an ecosystem. Just try one of these strategies for 1 month and you will see what will happen. And if this helped you, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I might make a full breakdown on one of these methods, right? So thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I love you all. And if you're new to this channel, just subscribe and see you in my next video.